Hello there. You are value Proton ALIC users. I will give you information about our Proton ALIC product. Our Proton ALIC product is domestic production. All softwares of Turkish engineering product belong to ASUA Technique. Defense sector, hobby purpose, manipulations, and security personnel. Many users use the product. Proton scans the ALIC area. It scans up to the serious depths. Proton ALIC in any way without the need for internet scans of the field scan. We only need internet to view the image we are browsing and display Google Maps. On the other hand, of the errors made by the users has developed their own use techniques. As the manufacturer of the device, I will tell you what should not be done. We continue to inform Proton ALIC users. One of the most asked questions is Proton ALIC? Yes, it does. I can scan with the external scanning of the next rack as shown. When the probe and the sensor are raised upwards, the device gives the range out. Because there is not the distance unit, the air. Naturally, the sensor measures the distance from where we are to where is this, because there is no distance to the wall. This was one of the most frequently asked questions. For Proton ALIC users, we have also provided this information. Proton ALIC detector. I can zoom in and out. We see what to target. I can mend the graph that appears on the computer. Proton ALIC users continue to inform you about the errors. As you know, the top of the Proton ALIC thermal sensor has laser light. What does this laser light do? This laser does not indicate the point of the magnetic sensor. This laser sensor shows the point that our thermal sensor detects. Because in the world literature, thermal scans must be a laser point. Proton ALIC can accurately detect this distance of matter from us. There is another question. I am showing 25 meters of the device in the magnetic scan while the laser shows 3 meters ahead. What can I do? This is not the case with the thermal sensors punch detection. Does the thermal sensor surge match the laser computer with 3 meters appearing? Of course, it matches. Thus, two working groups adjust each other with the carriage sensor. The location of the laser. We continue to inform you about the wrong use techniques of developed Proton ALIC users. We have a lot of questions about Proton ALIC in terms of the handling angle, and you have keep Proton ALIC. For example, we put a mark 5 meters forward. When we hold this device, if your sensor is 15 meters away, this is right grip on our land. The device should be keep a fixed position between the waist and the waist. The device tolerates small movements. However, large movements prevents the device from opening efficiently. Before we scan our Proton ALIC product, we make a mark that can be 5 meters or meters. We keep our tablet device with us, our friend. Looking to right this window, we keep the device right, see the same distance. As everyone hate the same. The attitude of the device might change. What is important is that our Proton ALIC product should be very narrow and small. We shouldn't make big moves and big chores. The operator must always follow the screen when scanning. I recommend that you scan by filling the screen with small movements. This is incorrect, or it will not rotate around. The charting styles are wrong. After this transfer, we will also mispresent that the data have obtained. When things appear on the target, they will look at big and different. By focusing on the target locally and following the screen on the tablet, we completed the surgeons with small movements. After finish scanning, we stop the device. If we continue to move with stopping, our data presentable, will we be have the map? One of the mistakes made by Proton ALIC users on the other hand is the how do I get myself a calibration anti-goal? The acceleration and carriage sensor found in the Proton ALIC will not work healthy. This way, it looks more target. A small speck looks like an agreed to you. If you have to drive target too close, you should lean down with the device as far as possible from the target. We do not actually recommend the use of the device in the place. However, you can follow the path if you cannot get away from the target in the tight space. For example, I am pointing to the matter close the place. I am setting my goal in 5 meters. If my tablet show a matter, I am doing it right. I can continue scanning. Proton ALIC user final have something I want to add. How to use Proton ALIC at beginning and the development of our video. Have to it. We have told you in practice. The most accurate screening for us local screening. I recommend that you identify your area and mark it necessary. It is not difficult to sweep space, rooms and materials in 5 meters area. More than 25 square meter area could yield more had results. ALIC is important product. It's a difficult see space. Proton ALIC detector. I will now describe the working principles of our Proton ALIC product. Let's see the screen. I stop it shutting. There is a gap on the opposite side. And we see that there are materials in the space. You can test our Proton ALIC product together with the users who want to take shot. We have the permissions to take this shot. We have provided answers to your questions about our Proton ALIC product. Say goodbye to another video. Proton ALIC detector. Goodbye. Thank you so much.